This is an MBL Minute, where we take a quick moment to chat about authentic leadership and emotional intelligence. Let's meet up with Phil.
You know, change can really drive us bananas. And here's another one of my favorite stories that kind of illustrates that point. Imagine we're starting with a cage containing 5 monkeys. Inside the cage, hang a banana on a string and place a set of stairs under it. Before long, a monkey will go to the stairs and start to climb towards the banana. As soon as the monkey touches the stairs, spray all the other monkeys with cold water. After a while, another monkey will make an attempt. Spray all the other monkeys with cold water again. Pretty soon, when another monkey tries to climb the stairs, the other monkeys will try to prevent it. Now put away the water. Remove one monkey from the cage and replace it with a new one. The new monkey will see the banana and want to climb the stairs. To his surprise and horror, all the other monkeys will attack him. After another attempt and attack, he will know that if he tries to climb the stairs, he will be assaulted. Next, remove another of the original 5 monkeys and replace it with a new one. The newcomer will go to the stairs and be attacked by the other monkeys. The previous newcomer will take part in the punishment with enthusiasm. Likewise, replace the 3rd original monkey with a new one, then the 4th, then the 5th. Every time the newest monkey takes to the stairs, he will be attacked. Most of the monkeys that are beating him will have no idea why they are not permitted to climb the stairs, or why they are participating in the beating of the newest monkey. After replacing all of the original monkeys, none of the remaining monkeys have ever been sprayed with cold water. Nevertheless, no monkey ever again approaches the stairs or tries for the banana. Why not? Because as far as they know, that's the way it's always been done around here. Change begins at the end of our comfort zone. The challenge with that is we don't know what we don't know, and often we don't actually realize we're stuck in our comfort zones. And it's only by taking action that's inspired by the authentic, emotionally intelligent leaders among us that we can begin to understand what it is we don't know. We can only connect the dots in hindsight. This is where organizational change truly begins. In this time of accelerating change, revolutionary, not evolutionary change is needed. We need to have the white-hot urgency to move out of our comfort zone, move through the anxiety that produces, and go for the banana. This is why the development of sheepdogs is so fundamentally important to our success as individuals and organizations. Because it's the sheepdogs that are going to inspire us to move out of our comfort zones towards those bananas. And they're going to do it first.
This concludes another MBL Minute. For more information, you can visit us online at www.masterofbusinessleadership.com or find Phil on LinkedIn by searching for Phil Johnson or Master of Business Leadership. We would love it if you subscribe, support, and share this program with anyone seeking solutions for their organization or wanting authentic leadership. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.